Hi, my name is Robert, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Nervala before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Nervala supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Nervala and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. Nervala is an advanced dietary supplement specifically formulated to promote peripheral nerve health. It aims to alleviate symptoms associated with nerve damage and discomfort, including the pesky sensations of tingling, numbness, and overall nerve pain. The unique formulation combines powerful antioxidants with essential nutrients that synergistically protect nerve cells and support their regeneration. By targeting the underlying causes of nerve pain, Nervala provides a holistic approach to nerve health, primarily designed for individuals suffering from nerve damage due to conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. Nervala offers a promising solution for those seeking relief. The product was developed by Dr. Scott, a functional medicine specialist, who recognized the need for a targeted support system for nerve health. The innovative combination of ingredients in Nervala targets inflammation and oxidative stress, two primary contributors to nerve pain. With its carefully crafted formula, Nervala addresses existing nerve issues and helps prevent further damage, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to improve their quality of life. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with Nervala and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 365 days to use Nervala 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.